Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video is a continuation of questions and answers. So I received these questions through different posts, whether it's shorts or certain videos or what have you. So I'll be answering just a few questions on this post. I am working on putting on some tips on this hand. And if you need this practice hand, I'll have the link in the description. Also, you want to see how I apply the tips, I have a video of that as well. I have that linked in the video in the description as well. So I'll be multitasking while I answer these questions because your favorite nail tech is in the middle of clients, so I am multitasking here. Well, probably triple tasking. Yeah. Let's get straight into the video. The first question, how many clients do I have? I am an independent nail tech, so I work for myself. I run my whole show, scheduling and all of that. I am no longer taking new clients. I haven't took new clients. I haven't took new clients in months. I have 45 clients that's on a regular basis. 45. One person, me. So I do about 45 people a month with 8 young ladies that schedule appointments here and there for a school dance or something like that. Prom, homecoming, maybe their birthday. So it's about 7 or 8 of them that I service every now and again. So for the most part, I have 45 people that I do. And I'm doing nails 5 days a week. And I'm one person, and I like to work 9 to 5. That's it. With the exception on some days, it depends. Another question is, do I like all the nails that I do? No, I do not. But hold up, let me tell you why. Because everybody is different, okay? What I may like, you may not. Vice versa, what you may like, I say that right? What I may like, you may not. And what you may like, I may not. And that's what makes all of us different. I'm gonna be honest with you. Sometimes people show me a picture and I be saying to myself, I don't even want to do that. But hey, I do it. And then when I do it, they be like, oh, it looks better than the picture. So they love it. And at the end of the day, that's what matters the most, that they love it. I mentioned this on previous videos. I do not do freestyle. Why? Because I want to bring your vision to light. Not my vision, your vision. Because once again, what I may like, you may not. So I want you to be able to say, I like these nails. Can you do that? That's what I like. So that's what I like to do. Y'all remember I told y'all gotta hold these nails down for 1 minute. Y'all saw it might have been 2 minutes. Because these things is not the best to work with. But we get the job done. Another question. What are some of your aggravating moments? I know I answered this. Again, the most aggravating thing, I have a video. You can check that video out. But that's the most aggravating thing. But I have a few aggravating moments. You like to hear it? It goes a little something like this. So a few things that aggravates me when a client don't know what they want. Y'all know when a client don't know what they want, that's the most aggravating thing, when they don't know what they want. It slows up the time and it just don't work out. Another thing is when I'm working with somebody, like if I'm using my electric drill, right? And a phone ring and they just jack their hand away. That's dangerous. So I always tell them, you got to be careful, don't do that. So I have a lot of clients that don't do that though. So when I hear their phone ring, hey, my ears work. I hear the phone ring, you know what I say? I say, you need to get that? I'm going to always ask. You need to get that? And then I can stop doing what I'm doing with your hand while you grab your phone. But don't jack away. It could become a bloody situation, and we don't want that. So I don't like when that happens. Another aggravating thing, when they say, I just want something quick, and they show me the picture, and the picture be looking like, quick where? This is what I started telling my clients. Ain't nothing quick besides clear coat. Plain, nothing natural look, clear coat. That's the only thing quick. Nothing aggravates me more than when they say they getting something quick and it's like Frenches or something like that. Baby, that's not quick. I have to draw them lines, draw them small lines and everything like that. That is not quick. And that's like me going to AutoZone or going to a mechanic shop and telling somebody something about a transmission. I didn't go to school to be no mechanic. I don't know nothing about that. I don't. And not saying just because you went to school, you need to know about it. Because some people that didn't go to school, they know a lot. But I'm just saying, like, don't come telling me what to do. That get on my nerves, too. You want to do this? Yeah, that's one of the things get on my nerves, too. Like, if somebody acting like they know everything about nails, but they never did their nails before. Girl, please. Another thing. When they ask for a look, they say, oh, I want my nails like that. And I say, okay, I can do something similar to that, but it got a lot going on. That's gonna take about 2.5 hours. And they say, oh no, I mean, but I'm serious. Like how long you expect something to take? If you see some of these nails that they want, that's not gonna get done in 30 minutes. But when you tell them 2.5 hours, they don't want it. I like what I like. And if it takes 2.5 hours, I'm gonna pack a snack and wait 2.5 hours because I want it. This is a good question. What is your favorite parts when a client knows what she wants? Number one, that always makes everything better when a client knows what she wants. When a client is on time. When a client is on time, I mean, you gotta love that. And the clientele I have now is 98% good on that. Every now and again, I have somebody that's running a few minutes late, but I promise you, they pick up the phone and they shoot me a text and let me know. And that works out because now that I'm on YouTube, I'm usually like in somebody's chat. I don't go live in between clients in moments like that. I might go live. I have went live if I had a client cancel and I wanted to repolish my nails or something like that. But in between clients, no, I'm not going to go live. I'm going to hop on and see who's live and show them some support, hit the like button, tell them hi, and keep it moving like that. But so that helps out, and I get to do things like that if a client say, hey, running 5 minutes late, and which my clients is good for that. So I have a good client base. I am very thankful for them all. Like I stated before, if they could just know what they want, and most of them do. So I'm so thankful. I am so thankful for my clientele. I can't say it enough. Do they get on my nerves sometimes? They do. And do I tell them? I do. I say it in a joking way or whatever. But yeah, it's all love. The best part of it is, the best part of my favorite thing is when a client know what she want, when she show me a picture, and she don't ask no question about how long it's gonna take, about nothing. She sits and we conversate, and she get the nails that she want, and she go by her day. That's my favorite part. Because all my clients been coming to me for a while now. The last new client I got, which was back in September, and she's been coming every 3 weeks since September, so I don't call her new anymore. She even knows how long it's going to be about her nails. Like, everybody know my routine. They know about how long I take, so I feel like don't ask me that question. You know I'm going to try my best to give you the look that you want. Sit down and receive. That's it. That's all. Is that too much to ask for? Just a reminder that every Monday and Wednesday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, I have a premiere. I try to keep my premiere short and sweet. I hope y'all noticed that. If you didn't, I'm reminding y'all right now, I keep it short and sweet. So come hang out with your girl. And if you can't make it at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, that's okay. Hit that replay. If you guys have any questions and you would like me to answer them in my next question and answer, go ahead and drop them in the comment section. If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. I have membership badges. That's $2.99 a month. That's so disrespectful. But like I said, your girl be busy and multitasking. I have membership badges that's now available for $2.99 a month. By purchasing a membership badge, it will help support my channel. And as an incentive, I will be hosting a drawing once a month for all of my members. And of course, shout them out. I don't know, I think I'm going to do a little something fancy when I shout them out. I haven't figured it out yet because your girl ain't got no members. What's up with that? That's about to change. But anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.